Hello viewers, this is Ilyasoft software company and I am your instructor Muhammad Ilyas, and today video we are going to implement the financial year setting. So let's get started. Open your browser and write here the code with Ilyasoft and open the blog. So in a blog you can find the updated post, which is accounting project part 9 accounting financial year and C#. So now click on this post, open the post properly and then minimize your browser, then open your projects. So let's go to the project location where project is stored. Copy the path where the project is stored and then open the Visual Studio. Once the Visual Studio is open successfully, then click on the open a project or solution. Paste the path where the project is stored and select the SLN file. The SLN file is a solution file. And now click on the open button. So once the project opens successfully, then go to the Solution Explorer. Okay, but before creating the form, open your HTML server. Connect to the HTML server and go to the database. Click on the database folder and click on the project based accounting management DB database diagram and click on the diagram. So in this video we are going to implement this form, this folder, this table, and the table name is a financial year. So we are going to implement this table in this tutorial, the financial year. So this is the start date of financial year and this is the end date, and this is the status where this financial year is active or deactive. So the current financial year will be active, and the after and before financial year will be deactive. So this is okay. So financial year table. So let's open your Visual Studio and create the project inside an account form. But before the creating, open your browser and see here we are doing to complete these topics which is mentioned below. And this tutorial will cover all the below mentioned topics. Means first we are going to create the financial year form inside account form, account folder, and our project Visual Studio, and then design the financial year form and then implement the insert, update, delete, and retrieve methods, and then retrieve the record from the financial year table and show inside in the data grid view which is present in the form. So this is the design of financial form. So let's get start and design the financial year form. So open the Visual Studio, right click on the account form and create the financial year form. So click here and right here, forum financial years financial year and click on the add buttons. So once the form is created successfully, set the size of the form and save the changes, and then go to select the form, right click here and go to the property of the form and set as a center screen. Then go to the form border style property and set as a none and change the name as a financial year and save the changes. Then go to the account control form or account head. So I'm going to open the account head. If you have not find the account head form here, then open the Solution Explorer and click on the account form. Click the form, then account form, and then click on the account head. So here I am going to implement all the code which is present inside in this blog. But here I am going to implement the code from account head form. So let's get started, and you can find here all the code which is similar to the code which we are doing in this video. So now select this account head form, go to the account header and go to the properties, then click on the event and then go to the load. Okay, so here you can find this whole code. So now copy the code below from the initialize components. So copy the code and then go to the financial year, but before the financial year we are going to first design the form. So first copy this portion and paste here, then set the size and then go to the header and copy the top panel and then paste. Go here and copy the text box and data grid view. So now data grid view, resize it. Now select the text box, search text box and go to the dock property and dock it on the top. Okay, and then okay, so once the designing is complete, copy both this context menu strip and error provider and paste here, and then select the data grid view, go to the property and set the context menu strip property of data grid view. So once all the change is successful, you go to this context menu strip and change here is the change status. Okay, so now here change the name of account head is to financial year. Financial year, and then here is enter financial year. Enter financial year title, and then change the text box name txt financial year. And then after that drag the two date time picker property, date time picker control. So let's copy from this label and change the name is to start date, and go to the toolbox and find here a date time picker and drag it in the form left panel. Set the size of this this date time picker. Go to the property of the date time picker and set the customize format custom, and then click here is the day slash month slash year. Once you enter, you get here, you see here the format. But December, here you see the full name of the month. So now copy and paste here below. So this is the end date, and this is the DTP end date. This is the DTP start date. Okay, select these two button and place below these two button. Okay, so once the designing is complete, then click on the this text box and go to here, and then go to the FRM account head form and go to the code of this form. So now copy the top code of the panel bar, copy below the code of initialize component and copy it. But now start copy all the code and then go to the financial year and paste below the initialize component. Select this braces and paste the code. So here txt financial year dot clear and then dtp dot start date dot value is equal to date time dot now, and then dtp end date dot value date time now, and here data retrieve from financial year table financial year table using select method of database layer. So now the count head, so open the form and copy the columns. This one is financial year, then financial year title, then start date end date, start date and end date. This is the ID, this is the financial year, this is the start date, this is the end date, and the last one is the status. The status is this one column here, and the form name is copy the form name from here. So now click here and copy the name and paste here. Copy the query. This query retrieved all the financial year list. So now paste here, and then the open search will be based on financial year title. Set the spaces between the column title and column name. Okay, then set the columns. Here is the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is the 4 column inside in the financial year table. So 0, 1, 2 and 3 and then 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 column is the 5 column of the financial year. So here the first one is the financial year ID. The second one is a start the financial year title, and here is the start date. This one is end date, and the last one is a status. So here is the width of that width is equal to 120. The length, the width of a financial year column is 120, and this is 100. This is the 100, and also the end and start date column width is 100. And the last one is status is auto size mode. So this is the data the fill grid method, which is used for to retrieve data and retrieve the financial year list from the financial year table and show it inside and the data grid view based on search key or not search key. And this is the txt search. So paste there and txt search dot text dot trim. Trim is used for remove the spaces from left to right of the content of the txt search text box. And text property used for get the content from the text box. And text box is the user getting value control. Open the financial year. So once these are complete, then go to the clear, then go to the clear button, and here is the form clear. So the form clear method is not here. So now copy the name and write here and create the new method which is used for the form clear to clear the form. So here I'm just copy these three controls and paste here, and then copy the method. Okay, so the clear button will be clear the form. Control just reset the controls which is inside and this left panel. And cancel is used for reset the control to cancel the updation. Okay, the one thing is there is this here we are setting the validations to the financial year days will be a 365 days. Means if the financial year is start from 28th December, the end date will be a 28th December 2021, and the start date is to be a 2020. So now go to set these validations. So I am going to open the blog, and here you see the code is already available here. No, here we are going to implement just set automatically the financial title, not that one. So here I am going to text financial year dot text is equal to DTP start data dot value dot to string, and here is the this is the month dash year, and then here is 2, and then space, and then plus, and then DTP end rate dot to dot value dot to string, and here is the dash year. Okay, so now copy the line and paste also the value on the value change property of the end date control. So once it's done, then go to the save property, go to the save button, click, and I'm open this form and copy the btn save code from here and paste here. So here you see first we are going to check the title which is empty or not. If empty, show the error message with the to the txt financial year text box, and then check the difference is 365 or 365 or not. If 365 is greater than the difference between these are the days. Okay, means here we are getting the difference between start date and end date in a days. So here I'm checking if the days difference is less than 364 days, so it means please set the financial year properly. And here show the message please set 365 days difference between start date and end date, and then focus the start date and return means do not execute below the code. If this condition is false, it means the difference is greater than between 365 or 365. So then check the account head, check the financial year is already registered or not. So here select the financial year where financial year title is this, then if exists show this message already exists, otherwise insert the financial year. So insert method is used for to insert the new record of financial year. So insert into financial year table financial year title, start date, end date, and then status. So this is the insert query. So once the insert query is ready, then use the insert method of the uh, for insert financial year and a financial year table. So if the result is true, it means registered successfully. Otherwise, please provide correct detail and means if not insert, show unsuccess message. In case of any issues occur, show the message. Some unexpected issue occur, please try again. Okay. So this is the financial year saving. So now copy the name of the financial year. Now go to here and import the namespace. Okay. Now copy the name of financial year and go to the program and set as a startup form. And now run the applications. So here I am going to set the financial year. So here I am going to set the financial year from 1st 2021 and then 2022, and this is the cut 31 December 2021, and then I'm going to save. So once you are good, here you see our financial year is January 2021 to December 2021. So this is it means this is the financial year. Okay, and this is the clear methods, but clear button is not working. So let's go and check it why it's not working. Form clear. Okay, so the saving is complete, insertion is complete. So let's get set the updations. So open the form and click on the context menu strip and then click on the edit. Okay, so now once on the editor tool strip menu strip item underscore click events is created, then go to the blog and copy the code of this edit tool strip menu strip click. So now copy the code. This code is used for to get the selected record from the data grid view. So here DTP that's value on selected index 0, index is 0, selected index row, selected row 0 dot index dot cell 2 dot value dot to string. So on cell 2 that date start is is saved, and dt on cell 3 the dt the end date, and the financial year is on our cell 1 and a data grid view on current row and current row. So here it's get the current row, the selected row index 0, the selected row, and get the record, get the value to assign the appropriate control. And then here enable controls, enable components. The enable components method is used to enable the updation components and disable the insert components. So let's get and run the form. So here you see once I am okay, just press. So once I am click here and click on the yes, here you see the December to 20 and this the values initialized in this financial in this controls, but here I am going to cancel it. So but the December to 20 to December to 20, okay, leave it, it's working. So now close the form and go to the financial year and click on the this, and here call the this dot close. This dot close method is used for to close the current context, means current form. Use to close current form. Use to close current form. Go to the form, select select the form, go to the property events and click on the load event. When the load event is created successfully, then call the fail grade method. This is used for to load the registered financial year on the form load. So once I am click on the start and once the form is load, the financial year is show here. So close the form. Okay, the minimize button is also not working. So now go to here and copy the code from the financial minimize button and then click here and paste the code. So now run and test it, it's working or not. So see here, it's working. Now close. Okay, now go to the financial year and click on the update button. Go to the blog and copy the update code. So the update code and the result code are similar. Just change is the update button and the update query. So let's see here. All the code is same. The working is same. But just here is check the financial error and the with the data which is inside in the financial error, but this is exclude, but don't check this one because this is the update selected one record which is used for which is on updation. So if already exists, show the existing message, otherwise check here and update the record. Update, call the database layer update method and update data and database in a financial year table. So this is the update query, update financial table, set the financial year title this, start this, end, and then where the financial year is 3, where financial year is this. So this is the placeholder. So and pass the value to one by one. So once the query is ready, call the database layer update method and pass the update query. So once the query is executed and get the result, so if the result is true, it means updated successfully. In case of not update, show unsuccess message. In case of any issues occur, show unexpected issues occur, please try again message. So let's get run the application and see here I'm going to update this. Yes, so here I am going to change some to, and here I am going to change here this and then click on the update. So here this is updated. I and then go to the 31 and 1 and then update. It's working. I'm going to edit and then cancel. Now it's working. Okay, so now the last one is the change status, and here now check the search. So December 20, see here it's working correctly. Okay, let's implement the change status. The change status will be doing to change the status of the selected record. So now close the form and go to the financial year form and click on the context menu and click on the change status. So once the change status click event is created, go to the blog and copy the code. This is used for to change the status of the selected financial year. So here this is first check data grid view is null or not, then check the rows is and data grid view is greater than 0, then check the selected rows dot count is equal to 1 1. So if all these is set, otherwise show this one by one message. So if the record is 1 is selected, then check are you sure you want to change the status. This is the confirmation message to ask from the user. So once the user click on the yes, it means is the dialog result is to be yes. So then execute this code, otherwise if no, then leave it. So once it's click on the yes, then it's get the existence status from the cell 4 which is on the current row on cell 4. So get the status which is the current one and get the financial ID and set the status for updates. By default it's to be a false. So check if the existing status is true, set this status false. If it is true, it is false, then set is true. So and then create the update query, update financial and financial air table and set the status is equal to 0 and then financial is equal to one place. So status is here and the financial year will go in here. So once the query is ready, call the update method of the database layer and pass the update query. So once it executes, so and check the end result, it's true, so it means status change successfully, otherwise please try again. So this is the status change code. So let's run and check it. Okay, so I'm going to change the status of this financial year. So are you sure you want to change the status? So I'm going to click yes. So see here, the status has changed. Now click again. So see here, the status is active again. So this is the financial year form which is used for to set your financial years. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell button. In case of any issue, any uh, confusion, please comments on the video uh, or send your error snapshots on the support WhatsApp team number. The WhatsApp team number is +92 314 30 76781. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.